I think it starts with partnerships. And these partnerships are throughout the whole life cycle of the data. If you wait until the end, you miss out on some great opportunities. So I think it's a life cycle situation where you need to work with the data producers early on. In the social science world, that goes all the way back to survey design. When you're designing these surveys, designing the instruments, what questions to ask, how to ask those questions, so you don't have the problems with privacy when you get to the end. Or even if you have things that you know you're going to have privacy issues, flagging those early, because you knew when you asked that question there may be some answers that you don't want to make public. So you need to be able to prepare all the way through that life cycle of the data and work early with the people who produce the data, the researchers that are analyzing the data, that are massaging that data, changing things, recoding, going through that whole process before it ever gets to the archive side. You need to understand that process. So collaborate with those folks and develop partnerships with other people doing the same types of things. And one of the most valuable things we've found here is working with people around the country and around the world doing the same stuff that we're doing. Rather than reinvent the wheel every time, work with people doing the similar task and see if you can leverage that with each other and develop collaborations and partnerships. And I think going forward, libraries, archives, domain repositories, we're all going to have to work together, because no one entity can handle all the vast range of styles of data, big data, small data, the long tail of science that produces hundreds and hundreds of really small studies. It's going to be really hard for one group to do that, and as a community we need to work together to handle all that.